Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm going to be using the new fall sticker book in my Homebody planner. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my pages. And we are planning for the week of October 7th through the 13th. So for this week, I kind of wanted to do a fall theme and play off of this yellow. But of course, the first thing I need to do, because this is a 2020 planner, is go ahead and redate. So I'm just using the memory keeping dates and holidays sticker book and get those dates laid down. And I'm thinking I want to play off of like this plum color that's in the fall sticker book and then some yellow. So I've already pre-chosen some stickers that I think I'm going to use. I'm going to white out important because I always like to put a quote here on my dashboard layout. But first I'm thinking I want to maybe start with something else because I want to make sure that my whatever florals I put down there or whatever kind of decor, I want to make sure that the quote will match. So I grabbed a yellow to buy and a yellow remember sticker, and then I'm going to use this yellow box. But of course it is made for the vertical layout, so it's a little bit too tall. A little sticker surgery will solve that problem. I need to cut off 2 more squares here on the grid and just put it back together, and you can barely tell that I actually cut that box and it fits much better. So I'm going to go ahead and put this burgundy or plum color one down and do the same thing. Now I don't particularly have anything planned for Tuesday or Sunday, but I just always place my boxes to where they're visually appealing to me. So here I'm actually trying to line up the grid, but I'm having a hard time getting it lined up, so I'm going to try to trim it one more time, and actually made that problem no better. So I'm just going to lay it down. So here's my starting point. These are the 2 colors that I'm trying to use mostly for this week. We'll see how that goes with my decor. Then I found this Homebody washi. Because the yellow up here in the top of this dashboard layout doesn't exactly match the yellow in my colorful boxes, I thought maybe I'd add this Homebody washi just to kind of put some burgundy in there and then take away from the mismatched yellows. So this yellow banner here says think happy, be happy, and I've usually just been putting up in this box how my day went or how I felt, so I thought that this little banner was appropriate. I'm going to white out the 2020 up here. I think I forgot to do that on last week. And then Saturday we are going to some haunted houses, so I thought that sticker was appropriate. Now I do want to put some of this decor in here. So I want to find something to go in this bottom right hand corner beside my yellow box, and I think this pumpkin will be cute. Got to put it on the wax paper in case I need to move it. So we'll start with this pumpkin, and then I need something on the left side of the pumpkin, and I love this teal color with the yellow and the burgundy. I think they all just look so good together, so I'll just put the coffee cup down there. Now, looking for just some other kind of decorative accents that I might be able to use. I don't like to put a whole lot on this dashboard layout sticker wise, just because I do like white space planning, and I need to save a lot of white space to write. So this little squirrel is cute, and I think I'm going to put him and some other things down here with my quote. So I'm just going to grab a few stickers that I think would be cute with the quote. Before I lay it down, I want to make sure that everything is going to fit, and I need to decide where to actually put the quote. So I just kind of decided to center it. The quote says, "But I love fall most of all," and I do. I love fall, and I love spring when it starts to warm up, and then of course fall when it starts to cool down because our summers are so hot. So I think this is turning out pretty cute here. And I'm going to try to put these yellow leaves up here. Yeah, I think they look really cute there. Now I just need one more thing to go above my coffee mug. And I'm going to put a little acorn down here with the squirrel. So let's just put like, yeah, this leaf, that'll be cute. So there. I have my quote and all my decor there. Then I found this plum colored banner. It says pumpkin spice everything with 2 pumpkins on it, so that kind of ties my pumpkins on both pages together. So let's see, is there anything else I can do to this spread? I wanted to use this like cocoa mug, but I'm not sure that it's going to work. So I think I'll just use some of these leaves here to cover up where I whited out the 2020. And those turn out really cute up there. So I know a lot of you guys have been watching my meal planning videos, but since I got this Homebody planner, I'm actually doing meal planning a little bit differently. I'm using these meal planning sheets that came out of the new home extension pack. So I don't need the grocery list, so I'm just using my paper cutter to cut it off. And then what I've been doing is just decorating this page to match my spread so that I can just have it like a little half sheet insert. So I'll take these same leaves and put up here at the top. I use the to buy section over on the left of the dashboard layout to actually write my grocery list. So I really didn't need that on the side there. And it seems to be working out pretty well. Of course, I've only done it 1 week now. This will be my 2nd week using the Homebody layout. But I liked it for this week, and we'll see how it goes for next week. I'm actually going to be trying to use the Happy Hostess half sheets recipe cards, and I'm going to try to convert all my recipe planner pages over into that little half sheet. So we'll see how that goes. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. But just a couple more little pieces of decor down here at the bottom. I actually decided to change this pumpkin out here for one that matches the pumpkin that's on the other page. And then I think I'll go ahead and just put some leaves down here too. And I'm not quite sure why I cut these leaves. Maybe, yeah, that's why. But I think afterwards I was like, really, I didn't have to do that, but whatever. So afterthoughts are great, right? And then here's another squirrel to match my little squirrel on the other side. I think this turned out really cute. It's very simple, still very functional, but very cute at the same time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I hope that if you're not subscribed, you will at least consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications. I am going to be trying to upload 3 times a week. For now, it's going to be Encourager on Saturday, Homebody Sunday, and my journal on Mondays. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.